الرحمن الرحيم نحمده ونصلي ونسلم على النبي الكريم وبعد. In Surah Taha there is another verse that talks about what happened to the people after Sayyidina Musa alayhi salam was summoned by Allah to receive revelation. So Sayyidina Musa alayhi salatu wasalam, he went to receive revelation from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. When he returned from receiving the revelation, when he descended from the mountain and he came with the revelation and the commandments, he was shocked and he was surprised to see such disunity in his community. People were doing shirk. He was shocked that how come the people have witnessed miracles with their own eyes, stayed in the company of myself and Harun, two prophets. They could do such a thing. He was so surprised and shocked at the same time. But what he did, he took his anger out on Sayyidina Harun alayhi salam. So he grabbed him by his beard and by his head. And he said, Yabna, grabbed him and he said that, Ya Harun, ma mana'aka idh ra'aytahum dhallu, alla tattabi'ani, afa asayta amri. What happened, Harun? When you saw the people that they were disobeying, you saw the people that, when you saw them, they're going on the wrong path, they were going astray, why couldn't you, follow me up? I wasn't too far away from you. How could you disobey my commands? I've told you, I gave you clear instruction. I told you to look after the people. You are my Khalifa, you're in charge. I'm leaving you behind now. Keep an eye on the people. And if they do anything wrong, correct them, etc., etc. What happened? So Harun alayhi salam, his reply is very, very thought-provoking. We need to think what he said. He said, first of all, he said, let go of my hair. Let go of my hair and let go of my beard. Ya ibna la ta'khud bi lihiyati wa la bi ra'si. And then he said, Inni khashitu, I feared the most is this, and taqul, that you will say, farrakhta bayna bani Israel, you have caused division amongst the children of Israel. If I were to command them that, I told them this is wrong, by the way. I told them worshipping the calf is wrong. But you know what they said to me? They said that we're going to continue to worship and devote it to the calf until Musa alayhi salam return. Now I could create another group to fight them. When you will come, you will see there's division. And there is no unity. So therefore I waited for you to return. Sayyidina Musa alayhi salam, he liked their answer, but he asked Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for forgiveness. Oh Allah, forgive me. Oh Allah, forgive me and forgive my brother. وَأَدْخِلْنَا فِي رَحْمَتِكَ إِنَّكَ أَنْتَ أَرْحَمُ الرَّاحِمِينَ. Oh Allah, وَأَنْتَ أَرْحَمُ الرَّاحِمِينَ. Oh Allah, forgive me and forgive my brother and enter both of us into your mercy. You are the most merciful, the one who show mercy. What we learn from this is very important. The importance of unity. This ittihad is very important in the light of this prophet. This prophet is a da'i. Harun alayhi salam is not any uncle or in the community. He is also a prophet as well. So he realized that unity is very important. He knows that inshallah through the commandments of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the people will be inshallah ta'ala will come back to the deen again. But if I cause division, they will kill one another. It's going to make them flee from one another. Someone else, he's going to go over there, so many things going to happen. But if they stay together, inshallah ta'ala, they will come back to the deen of Allah Azza wa Jal. Unity is very important. If we have disunity in our community, brothers, we can't do any work. Any work that you do, someone else do another majlis there, another person do another majlis there, someone else will be doing ghibah behind there. Everyone's going to say that, oh, they're doing this. If we start talking like that, we can't do any work. Our work will progress when our hearts are united. Alhamdulillah, this masjid is not it doesn't have an affiliation to any country. This is not a Bengali masjid or a Pakistani masjid or a Gujarati masjid or an Arab masjid. This masjid doesn't have an affiliation to any community. It's our masjid, Khan Hall Masjid. We all have to be. This is our masjid. We have to work together, inshallah ta'ala. So the small differences that we have, the differences in furu', subsidiary issues, these are minor issues. Sometimes I also mention as well, these are ikhtilaf coming from the time of the Sahaba. We have to ignore those ikhtilaf. Yes, we learn more and more about it, inshallah ta'ala, but we have to look at the bigger picture. Because if we all stay together, inshallah ta'ala, and work together, then we are not here forever, are we? But we will leave something very important for our next generation to follow, inshallah ta'ala. It will be very easier that, alhamdulillah, our forefathers worshipped Allah in this masjid. There's a lot of good work in this masjid. It will be very easier for our children to follow. But if they see disunity and division, we cannot do anything like that. Just to finish off, at the time of Imam Abu Hanifa rahmatullah alayhi, there was an ikhtilaf. One man, he gave talaq to his wife. And he said to his wife that you are divorced by Maghrib if you don't escape, if you don't exit from the kingdom of Harun al-Rashid. Now the kingdom of Harun al-Rashid is the whole of Middle East at that time. And all of Khurasan and Samarkand and Mawara and Nahar and all of Azerbaijan and entire Afghanistan, all the way to China. How she's going to get out? By, the whole Iraq and Iran you can't get out. Even by the jet you can't get out by Maghrib. What are you going to do? So everyone said that as soon as Maghrib comes, she will get talaq. You should not give this kind of stupid talaq in the first place. So she's going to get the talaq now. Because he said that if you do not exit the kingdom of Harun al-Rashid by Maghrib, then you are talaq. She can never get out. So there was a young imam there, his name was Abu Yusuf. He was still studying, and he learned his studies, his studies was under the tutelage of Imam Abu Hanifa. So he said, my opinion is that when Maghrib comes, she should go inside the masjid. As before Maghrib, go inside the masjid and pray Salatul Maghrib and then come out, inshallah, she's not going to get talaq. Why? Because وَأَنَّ الْمَسَاجِدَ لِلَّهِ Masajid belongs to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, not Harun al-Rashid. This is the kingdom of Harun al-Rashid, he's in charge, he's Khalifa. But Masajid, even Harun al-Rashid built it himself. Still it doesn't belong to him. You could spend all your money and build the masjid, you still can't claim ownership. It belongs to the whole community, and the real ownership belongs to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Everyone liked this answer, and they said, okay lady, go read the masjid and save your marriage. So we learn from this. Masjid is our masjid. It does not belong to any individual. Every one of us, if we take ownership, it's my masjid. Masjid will be more beautiful, more clean, and we'll do so much work together, inshallah ta'ala. May Allah give us tawfiq. Jazakumullah khairan.